Every Sunday I used to watch cartoons, but now I'm
I haven't
here.
really told you anything. I've just said that something exciting is happening today, and
Waking up with you, I would get excited.
I'm so relieved right now that it's just getting
About my
over.
favorite show.
Hi, the lighting is probably horrible right now, but I'm just in my room. It is dark, it's pitch black outside, and I'm just having my lamp on, which is why the lighting is so horrible. But I'm starting a new sketch. As you've seen, I've not downloaded the other one yet, but tomorrow there's exciting things are happening tomorrow, which I'll talk about tomorrow, and I'll have someone come in that's going to document the process of me working on both paintings. So I want this to be a figure because I want it to have as much variety as it can get. But yeah, so that's why I'm starting a new painting while the other one isn't even finished. I normally wouldn't do that, but I'm just doing the sketch today. I want to do the underpainting tomorrow morning, and then I might work on the portrait a little bit tomorrow morning, and then do a big 2-hour painting session when a special guest is coming tomorrow. You know, it is a very rough sketch, so it's supposed to be anything that is very delicate or anything, and I want it to have loads of like pencil marks and stuff, so I want it to be see-through. I want it to be a bit more like this painting back here. I don't know if you know this painting, but you can see the marks, and I'm going to enforce them again with black as well tomorrow with the paint. I'm going to spray some fixative on it now. That's all I'm going to do, and yeah, I think that's all I'm going to do today. Tomorrow morning I'm going to go over with an underpainting, and then that'll be it. I hope that it will turn out right. I'm kind of nervous that I got things wrong and stuff.
Baby, what's the rush? I can see the liquor, how it tickles at your lips. Looking for some fun. Come a little closer, let me show you.
Hi, so it is the next day. I have alluded to what's happening today. I haven't really told you anything. I've just said that something exciting is happening today, and it is. It's currently around 10:30 a.m. and at 2 p.m. a photographer is actually going to come into my studio/room. I have these two paintings, and I'm excited for the end results. I have no idea what's going to happen. I have no idea how if they will differ from what pictures I've taken before. Im offenen Zimmer, so an der Wand.
You don't need to know just who I am. Let's move to the groove. Baby, I ain't looking for
We've got some packages. Let's open them. I got two colours. I got my burnt sienna that I always use. I don't think we're focused, but it's just a green colour because I didn't have any green anymore. Basically, so this is a palette knife because I wanted to have something to scrap away the colour on my palette, because I don't know if you've seen my colour palette, but it's just full of colour and it's going to be hard. I don't think I'm going to be able to scrap everything, like to get everything away, but at least the big like blobs of paint, and so yeah, I ordered one of those. It was kind of expensive, so it is a very small one. I don't remember ordering two. I remember ordering this one because first of all I wanted to have a big one, and I think I also wanted to have one of these gesso, so I wanted to have a big one, and then I ordered this one as well, but I don't remember ordering this one. It's definitely the biggest one they had. It was kind of expensive, but I'm excited to paint on it, and yeah, it's very big. It's just like half of me.
We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces, but I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the...
Okay, this will be interesting because the paint is nearly completely dry, which is why I normally don't wait for that long between painting sessions, but I painted last time I painted was Tuesday. I just didn't have the time. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun.
You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here in the silence, saying nothing.
This doesn't look good anymore. Very sad. So I've compared pictures I've taken throughout the process because I really love that painting a few stages before I did the background. That's when everything went wrong. I wish I could turn back time, but I can't. So since I'm very stuck and I don't really get much from looking at the original picture right now, but I just have a picture of my painting process now, so how it looked when I still liked it, and I'm going to try and replicate it. I know that the mouth needs to go a bit more forward. I think I need to change the chin in the mouth, but also there's like I don't know, there's just something went wrong last time I painted. The hairs wasn't look right. I just really want to finish it today because I don't really have much time to work on it next week, and I think it's the more I wait, because now it's already kind of dry and it's just not great painting on top of dry paint. Like, it just doesn't work out.
Every Sunday I used to watch cartoons, but now I'm here waking up with you. I would get excited about my favorite show. Now you're the only thing.
Looking up, I think that was the best decision to just go over, because it was too not fine-tuned, you can't really say it, but it was too detailed and it just didn't match it. And what I liked about the previous process pictures I had taken was that you could see big brush strokes, and while not everything was completely fine, it alluded to how the face is supposed to look, and you could tell how the face, you could recognize him. But if everything was too detailed, you couldn't. So I'm really glad that I used this bigger brush, and I've gotten back to a point where I'm happy with it. Not entirely, it's not done yet, but it's definitely getting there. I think I'm gonna work on the hair now, and I want to work on his jacket a bit. But I'm so relieved right now that it's just getting a little bit better. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say.
For an evening on the town, looking for someone, anyone, to call my name out loud. I'd get anxious, no one knows me, standing in the crowd. Now I've got your eyes to see mine, and your voice to calm me down.
And take me to a movie, a matinee, walk out in the middle.
I think I'm redoing the background. I think this is the decision I'm making right now. I don't know if it's a good one.